Good morning. Going to Oregon. Right now it's 4:30 in the morning. Driving to airport. I'm already late. So today we're going to pick up BMW M6 V63 body style. S85 V10. Found this car. It appears to be super clean, so definitely super excited. Never had M6 before. Had a couple of M5s. Still currently have one 6-speed M5. But this one's gonna be a new project for me, for my team, for the shop. It seems like nobody cares about those cars anymore, so I kind of want to revive one of them. Okay, so I'm driving to San Francisco in my M6. To run it back, I couldn't really film it with the previous owner. I didn't want to film it. I didn't want to be a weirdo to be filming, sitting there like, hey, can I film doing the documents and shit? So long story short, landed at around 9:30. The guy picked me up right from the airport, picked me up in my car. We went straight to the bank. Did not even test drive it, to be honest with you. Man, the guy was very fair. He was super honest, told me everything about the car. He has literally a Bible of service records. Like, the car always been serviced at BMW. Engine works like clock. He hasn't done the oil change in 2 years. The car was just literally sitting. And on a Carfax, you can physically see that 1,000 miles or 300 miles, year past oil change. 300, 500, 1,000 miles, oil change. So consistently, the car been at the dealership and the oil change been done. So I was like, you know what, it's cool. Let me just take it to that same dealership and let me get the oil change done. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be the same experience like in Dallas, Texas. You pull up to a BMW dealership, you got service advisors, mechanics, like everybody there on Saturday. So you pull in, you got probably valet that greets you, service advisor greets you, you talk to them, takes an hour and a half maybe to get the oil change done, you're good to go. Bro, I'll pull in, I get in there, nobody cares. Like, I'm sitting in my car like maybe for 5 minutes, nobody says anything. Okay, so I get out of the car, light my car in the service drive, walk inside. Somebody looks at me like this, like, I'm like, okay. So looking around, standing there for like 5 minutes. Finally, some dude who was watching TV, I guess, walks up to me, like, hey, were you helped already? I'm like, no. I'm like, hey man, so I need to get the oil change done. It's like, man, I'm sorry, dude. Like, we won't be able to get you done up like till Wednesday. I'm like, Wednesday? Like Wednesday? It's Saturday. So, okay, long story short, I'm driving this car right now. I'm driving to San Francisco. Oil change been done 2 years ago, but 100 miles ago. Like right now, the engine's burning that oil. That's another thing that I don't like. So now I'm seeing that like I'm not on it at all, and it already burned like a quart of oil. No good, okay? So I'm gonna pull over right now, next gas station, and I'm going to get 530. I'm just gonna add another quart of 530. I wanna do it, but some oil better than no oil. Plus, you know, I'm going to ship that car tomorrow to Dallas. 2008 BMW M6 LCI, Indianapolis Red with black interior, SMG. Why did I get SMG? Because I really wanted to get SMG. I already have a manual M5. If you follow on my channel, if you follow on my Instagram, you know I have one of the craziest M5s, stage 3 M5, fully maintained, tuned, with a whole bunch of crazy upgrades. I have that car and it's manual. I did not want to get this car manual. I wanted to get SMG, so I'm gonna do crazy things with this one. I'm like super excited about this particular car. I'm gonna like do everything that I wanted to do myself, and I'm going to create one of the best looking, best sounding E63 M6s in the United States. And I'm going to build this car like I like it. I'm not gonna care about anybody's opinion, what you think, how you think. You just watch what I do. Once I'm going to put body kit on it, wet sand it, wrap it, put some crazy tint on it, upgrade the headlights, do a full exhaust system with the headers, show you all the maintenance, how expensive that shit is. Like, this car is not cheap. However it is, you're gonna watch a crazy transformation if I'm not gonna blow this fucking engine up right now, because I'm paranoid. I'm seeing I need to add a quart, and I know this car hasn't had an oil change in a year, so I'm low-key a little bit freaked out, to be honest with you. But I think it's gonna be all right. So if you have in your mind, that sound, if you imagine what S85 is supposed to sound like, it's gonna be ×2. Да, брат. ¿Qué pasa, bro? Да, спасибо. Спасибо. Бро, здесь такой вид, да. Я вот просто сейчас смотрю на вулкан. Подожди, смотри, я тебе сейчас позвоню, братан.
Pacifica.
right, so we're in San Francisco. I got you up here to a golden bridge. You can barely see it, so right now it's fully covered in fog, but drove this car for a day. Drove it from Oregon yesterday. Now I'm in San Francisco. Drove it for at least like 1,000 miles at this point. Couple of different issues. Definitely either leaking oil or burning oil. That could be a cause of, 2 years they haven't replaced the oil. So it may be just because the oil is super thin right now and it's burning that. I don't know, but maybe that's what that is. The second thing, SMG, when I put in a reverse, it's actually like there's some sort of friction. I'm not sure exactly, but I think I may have to do something with the SMG as well. So definitely going to postpone buying wheels, and I'm going to do rod bearings. I'm going to take it to service immediately as soon as I take it back to Dallas. But I want you to enjoy this view. San Francisco, this thing looks, this is actually one of my most favorite cities. I'm over here with my friend, driving around. We're going to go to downtown, just going to have fun. I mean, overall, this car is absolutely amazing. I should have bought one of these a long time ago. I'm like looking forward to get everything done to this car. So as soon as I'm going to get to Dallas, we're going to start basically rebuilding this whole car. So stay tuned and enjoy the city. Все, ладно, погнали.
За 2 дня заправляюсь, мне кажется, 4-й раз. Ну чё, заканчиваем мы наш влог, братан.